This is a project documentation on how to make a brain cap. First, I cut some used paper bag. Then make a paste using cornstarch. Afterwards, I inflated a balloon and used it to mold the cap. Using strips of paper, I made the paper mache and formed it into a cap. Then I let it dry for 1 day. Next, I started painting it and used different colors to represent the different areas of the brain. Red for parietal lobe, green for frontal lobe, yellow for occipital lobe, and lastly, blue for temporal lobe. The frontal lobe is involved in processes such as reasoning, planning, speech, movement, emotion, and problem solving, while parietal lobe is involved in movement, orientation, recognition, and perception. The occipital lobe is involved in visual processing. Last, we have the temporal lobe, which deals with auditory perception, memory, and speech. Here's a fact. The occipital lobe is named because it rests below the occipital bone of the skull. It is also the smallest lobe. I dried the cap using a blower because unfortunately it's not sunny. Then I labeled the 4 major lobes of the brain cap. And finally, after a lot of work, here is the finished product. This activity taught me to have a clear vision of what the brain looks like, how it works, and its importance to our body. I also learned about the different parts of it, that our brain is divided into 4 major lobes, which has different distinct functions. Making this activity helped me realize how magnificently our brain works, and how we should give importance and take good care of it.